global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Roll, sir. Roll, sir. Solution.
Yeah, sure.
Roll. Okay, so first of all, congratulations. Your trailer is getting a huge response. So, what kind of comment you're getting for your industries, your friend?
I think everyone is telling, okay, finally you're doing a happy film and a romance. So I'm very happy. The response has been great. Everyone it's a different kind of a love story. Usually love stories are all about families, ye, wo, jhagda, and this has nothing of that. It's a very young WhatsApp kind of a romance love story, and there's an element of freshness which I think everyone is sensing. So I'm excited.
So you have also kept a screening before the release. So how was the comment? Because Ravinat ma'am have told me that it was fantastic and it's different genres. Something I've tried by genres.
Yeah.
So tell us about something Ravina ma'am and Swara. Many people have came over there.
I think overwhelmingly, right from Juhi to Ravina, Swara, whoever's seen the film, firstly is very happy that okay, you've done a romantic film with a happy ending. And they found also some of them, like I remember Juhi telling me that, she's never thought that there is a person behind creating the WhatsApp forwards that we get. So here the character of Archie, which is played by Gitanjali Thapa, plays a meme artist, जो WhatsApp forwards बनाते हैं. तो that she's an artist who makes that, and we never think, we are just forwarding it without thinking that someone is working, thinking how to make you smile. So I think a lot of people are also getting to know about a medium that we all use a lot, and everyone comes out of the film smiling, little tears, but at the same time smiling, and I think that's a good thing.
Okay, tell us about the main plot and the USP about the movie Kuch Bhige Alfaz.
Kuch Bhige Alfaz is a love story about finding love once again, about finding the beauty within yourself. So if you start loving yourself and find the beauty within you, then the world will find you beautiful and you will always find the right person to love you. We're all filled with fear, insecurities that, oh, maybe I'm not tall enough, my hair is not good, my skin is not good, I'm too fat, I'm too thin, but ultimately looks after some time don't matter. Then you have to really connect with the person to be able to live your lifetime or whatever time you want, as friend or as lovers or as together partners, life partners. You have to connect beyond the surface, and this film is about connecting within.
Okay, from this movie you are also doing debuting in a romantic version. So what was the reason for doing this romantic version? Because in past we will say that you are raising a social issue movies more.
I think the most important social issue today is love. Because everyone is so full of hatred. Everyone is like, this is wrong, that is wrong, not even letting people love. And this film celebrates love at a time when it's most necessary. I think half our problems would be solved, be it with our countries around us or be it within our own space, that Hindu, Muslim, different castes, all that. All that matters is if two people, human beings, can share the love, the world would be a better place. So this film is presenting you on Valentine's weekend that the world needs to rethink and rediscover love and celebrate love.
Okay, so this was the reason to use the Pehla Nasha in this movie to get more tadka to the movie.
I think when I was in college, that's when Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar released, and all of us, first day, first show, went for the film, and the entire theatre, everyone was singing Pehla Nasha Pehla Kuma, and I feel that it became like an anthem for our generation to proclaim love for someone. And when I was trying to think of what song to use, of course the character of Alfaz is a radio jockey who plays old songs, and Saregama, my producers, have this amazing bank of old songs. And when I saw Pehla Nasha there, I'm like, listen, I have to have this song, because not only do I want Alfaz to play this song, but also I want it as the theme music underlining the celebration of love in the film.
Okay, this movie is going to release on 16th Feb. So can we say it's a gift for all the lovers, Valentine lovers?
It's a gift for everyone who is in love, who wants to be in love, who shies away from love. That it's a film that will make you want to be in love more than anything else.
Okay, so we also wanted to know that Ori sir in real life is a romantic or a calm person.
I think I'm a total romantic. I keep falling in love.
Okay, you also have a production house called Anti-Clock.
Yeah.
We can say that you're in a mission because in past few movies you are debuting all the artists like Ashish based in Shab, Chauranga the director, and now Zen. So can we say it's on you are on a mission?
I will just say that, you know, once upon a time I was a newcomer. Someone trusted me, and today I feel that very little space, platform that I have, I want to be able to gift it to other people who have incredible talent. This country is full of talent. I feel very happy and fortunate that I can be a part of their life in their journey into this film world. Like, for example, Mithun, the music director, started his career with me. So a lot of music directors have worked. Pritam, in the beginning of his career, I co-produced some of his music albums. I did the debut film for Bikash Mishra as a director in Chauranga. Shab, of course, had not only Ashish but Shrey as a debutant, who also does the second lead in Kuch Bhegi Alfaz, apart from Zain doing his debut. So I feel that yes, if I can in some way contribute bringing in talent to this industry, then that would be my gift back to the industry, which has given me so much of happiness.
Sir, last two questions. Your movie is also getting a clash with IRE and more big films. So, do you think the people will be divided because the maybe?
How can it be divided when it comes to love? The first choice has to be love.
Okay, so do you think the people will attracted to more to Kuch Bhegi Alfaz?
I hope so. So honestly speaking, I don't think even it's a clash, because films like IRE and all have, it's a big film with huge release, and it has Neeraj has such a huge fan following with his incredible work, and I hope that people go and watch that film for a different reason and come to watch our film also for finding love for something else. And I'm sure each film will give them something which they'll take back home. So it's okay sometimes to watch 2 films a day.
Okay, lastly, what do you like to say to your fans when the movie is going to release on 16 Feb?
16 Feb, with the person you love, without the person you love, with friends, with family, or alone, go and celebrate love with Kuch Bhegi Alfaz.
Thank you.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service, quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.